Wondering how to make your garden more festive for Easter? Easter's just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to add a touch of magic to your outdoor space. We're about to dive into some unique garden decorations to make your Easter celebration extra special. We'll explore the latest trends, the materials and tools you'll need, and even some painted stone Easter eggs. Plus, we'll offer vital safety tips to keep your decorations secure and weatherproof. Stay tuned for practical and easy-to-follow tips for creating unique outdoor Easter decorations. Ready to transform your garden into a festive Easter haven? Let's delve into some unique outdoor Easter decorations. Picture painted stone Easter eggs. They're a charming and vibrant addition to any garden. Next, imagine a beautiful, spring-themed Easter wreath gracing your front door, welcoming all who visit. And don't forget the whimsy of Easter-themed fairy lights twinkling in the twilight. Creating these decorations is a joy in itself, so let your imagination run wild. Remember, creativity is key in making your garden stand out this Easter. Ever thought of how to make your Easter decorations sustainable? The magic lies in selecting eco-friendly materials. Opt for decorations like painted stone Easter eggs or a wreath for your front door, made from organic materials. After the festive season, don't discard them. Reuse these elements in different ways around your home or garden. For instance, stone eggs can become part of a rock garden, while your Easter wreath can be composted. Making your Easter decorations sustainable not only saves the environment, but also your pockets. Safety first, right? When it comes to outdoor Easter decorations, it's important to ensure they are securely attached to prevent them from falling or flying away. Consider using materials designed to withstand varying weather conditions. Now, let's talk about the little ones. Make sure your decorations are child-safe. Avoid using small parts that could be swallowed, and keep electric elements out of reach. With these safety tips, you can enjoy your Easter festivities without any worries.